In this video, I'm going to teach you how to combine enchantments in Minecraft Bedrock. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the enchanting system and how you can combine enchantments. This will be primarily done using an anvil. So if you still need to craft an anvil, you are going to need blocks of iron and iron ingots. So just go into a crafting table and you will be able to make it like this. You will put 3 iron bars at the bottom, 1 in the middle, and then 3 iron blocks at the top, and this will make you an anvil. Now, when you place the anvil down and you interact with this, you will be able to combine enchantments. So you can combine enchantments that are on books. So for example, I have sharpness 4 and sharpness 4. I can combine them into sharpness 5, protection 3, into protection 4. And you can also combine different enchantments together. So for example, sharpness 4 and unbreaking 3 will make me a book that has both of these enchantments. You can also attribute enchantments from books into items. So if you have a sharpness 5 book, you can put it in a sword. And of course, you can do the same with any other enchantments. If you have 2 items that are exactly the same, so a diamond sword and a diamond sword, you can combine them to get the enchantments together. Keep in mind that some enchantments will not work together. So, for example, if I get Bane of Arthropods 5 and I get another diamond sword, I enchant this one with Bane of Arthropods, you will notice that I cannot combine Sharpness and Bane of Arthropods. So some of these are going to be quote-unquote exclusive enchantments. For example, you cannot enchant a pickaxe with Silk Touch and Fortune at the same time because it wouldn't work. But for most enchantments, they are going to be compatible and you will be able to combine them like this. So now this diamond sword has both the sharpness and unbreaking effect. Of course, the same thing can be done with pickaxes, axes, and any other items that can be enchanted. So if I get a fortune book and I get an efficiency book, I'll be able to put one of these enchantments on the pickaxe and then the other one. And if you have a pickaxe or any other item that is exactly the same type, you will be able to keep combining it over and over again. So for example, if I get this pickaxe with unbreaking, I'll be able to combine it with my original pickaxe that has efficiency and fortune. Sometimes the enchantment cost is really going to differ. So for example, if I put the unbreaking 3 pickaxe first, it costs 21, but if I switch them around, it costs 10. So always pay attention to that to get the best deal on your XP possible. I hope I was able to help you on how to combine enchantments in Minecraft Bedrock. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.